Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are ending our Get Ready With Me for the Homeschool Year series by doing a homeschool room tour. Today's video is also a collaboration hosted by myself and Davene over at Calm in the Chaos Homeschool. I'm going to link the playlist down for that in the description bar. Make sure you check it out when you are done with this video. Personally, I am working with a very small space for our homeschool room. We homeschool sometimes in here, sometimes at the kitchen table, on the couch, just wherever we, feel most comfortable for that day. So hopefully you guys can get some good ideas from this video for organization tips, and let's get started with it. Alright you guys, now the first thing I'm going to show you is this really cool foldaway table. We got it from IKEA, and one of the things I love about it is you can store it away if you have a small space, and when you pull it out, you lift up both of the flaps. Each of the sides has 3 different drawers that you can put art supplies, pencils, papers, just whatever you want to put in there, so you can just give yourself some extra storage space. I'm going to be using this wall right here for our calendar, and I'm going to do a better job this year of keeping up with the calendar and making sure that it doesn't still say, like April when it's June and things like that we, had some issues with last year. These are our bookcases that we also got from IKEA, and in these bins right here, I'm going to be keeping the kids' curriculum. So in this first bin, it looks kind of messy, but it's really not, I promise. I put some books that we're going to be using for just different subjects that I didn't want to get mixed in and then lost. And then I have some extra workbooks that I can work into our morning basket. I have some math games like Splat. Those are really fun, you guys. I'll link them down below in case you want to check them out. My kids love playing those. I got some My God Says Truth cards from Not Consumed. These are basically like scripture cards, so we're going to be using those with our Bible study this year. And this bin is my son's curriculum, so he has one designated spot where all of his curriculum goes, so he can just come and grab, and he doesn't have to search for it. This one is going to be our group unit studies, or our just group work. So this is our Bible curriculum. I have some Spanish, you guys. I was so excited to use Song School Spanish, and then I saw that Master Books is coming out with not only a Spanish curriculum, but it's also video lessons. So I'm kind of tempted to change. So we'll see how that goes. But this also has our history and our science as well. This bin is my daughter's curriculum. So she's in kindergarten. All of her stuff is here. Those are some Bible study works. I'm not sure where her math curriculum went. I need to go find that. And here is a very heavy-duty pencil sharpener. I love this thing so much, you guys. I think it's going to stand up to the wear and tear of multiple kids. The one that we had last year did not last at all. It was a little battery-powered one, and it bit the dust. So I got this one, and we also added in a globe, which is super fun. And this one, you can push that little white button, and it turns on, and it will light up the constellations and where in the world you can find them. So I thought that would be really cool. And I got this really big chalkboard from Hobby Lobby. It was on sale for half off, so I got it for a pretty good deal. Now, I don't know if you guys follow Rooted in Rest on Instagram. I'll link her handle down below in the description bar. But she makes the most amazing chalkboards for her unit studies, you guys. That is what inspired me to get this chalkboard. I was going to hang it on the wall so it would be kind of more aesthetically pleasing, but I ultimately decided against it, because I figured with taking it down to draw on it and then putting it back up, it was going to be more of a hassle just trying to find the hooks and the nails. So I'm going to leave it how it is, and I think that'll just be easier to decorate it. Next, I want to mention this printer. You guys, it's the Epson Ecotank 2760. If you do not have this printer, go get it. Your homeschool, this is the best investment I have made in our homeschool. It prints so much curriculum. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I posted how I printed 18 different curriculums, and look at the ink levels. it's only a quarter of the way down. It printed so much and I still have so much ink left. You guys seriously will not regret getting this printer, I promise you. Everything that I am talking about I will have linked down below in the description bar in case there's something that you wanted to check out for your homeschool. If you guys saw my homeschool room organized with me, I'll link it up here at the end of the video. But my husband bought me a brand new bookcase. I'm so excited, you guys. We went to IKEA and I had every intention of getting another one of these bookcases, but then we saw this one and I was like, oh, it's kind of pricey, and he was like, no, let's get it. And I'm like, oh. So you guys, get the bookcase and get yourself a husband who will let you buy bookcases. But look at it. So up here in these bins, I have my teacher items and paint items and markers, basically like anything that I don't want low enough for my toddler to get to, because he will draw all over everything. He likes to take paint out and open it and spill it on the floor. So those things are safely tucked away up here. This shelf I have designated as our DK bookshelf and our poetry books. I'm so excited for it to grow and just get so many DK books. My plan is to make it so that one shelf becomes two, full of just DK books. Next are books that we have either loved as read-alouds or that we are making our way through currently. And then I added in some cookbooks. The last shelf is our totes that has our literature-based curriculums. I got this idea from Davene over at Calm in the Chaos Homeschool. She keeps her literature programs inside totes, and I thought that was such a great way to keep them organized instead of having them in the boxes that they arrive in. And the last thing that I'm showing you guys is our homeschool cart. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to use this as an art cart or maybe a morning curriculum cart or like a morning basket thing. How do you guys use your homeschool carts? Let me know down below to give me some ideas. The only thing I have in it so far is this little like paper holder, some glue sticks, and this little pencil holder that I found at Target. And what would a homeschool room tour be without talking about storage? So because we are working with a small space, I try to utilize all of our spaces, you know, to their max capacity. So on this side of our door, I have my daughter's ABC chart, and on this side, I have my son's skip counting chart. So, you know, one of the things that I have learned with working with a small space is, you know, you can hide things really, really well if you want to. You just have to get a little bit creative. So I thought that this would be an easy way to have these posters up, but to make it feel kind of more like on a minimalist level without just poster, poster, poster all over our walls. All right, and then in here I have some teacher supplies. I have my Polish pottery that you can see. I have my laminator, a cutter, and then the kids' art supplies. And then down here is their snack shelves that look a little crazy. And then down below, I have their puzzles. I have some more art supplies like paper. I have some of our past curriculum that friends have given me that I'm not quite sure when we're gonna use it, but I want to keep it because I feel like there's like that need of like I might use it and I don't want to have to buy it later on because I gave it away because I didn't think we were gonna use it. You guys know. And then here are our Bible studies that we're going to be working on throughout the year. I bought quite a few from Not Consumed, so I don't have like a specific plan on when we're going to use them, just we're going to use them throughout the year. Alright you guys, so that is it for the homeschool room tour. Make sure that you check out the playlist. I will link it down below. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button, and I'll see you again later. Bye!